मेरे महान भारत के प्यारे भाइयों और बहनों, नमस्कार। Although I am the younger one among the elite panel, but still I will try to introduce the new dimension in your financial advisory. My topic is financial freedom. How can we get freedom? हमारे वेद कहते हैं सा विद्या या विमुच्यते, education that liberate us, but after 75 years of freedom, from whom we need to liberate? Let's see next slide. As per MCA, approx more than 10,000 chit fund companies are there. Lots of people are getting cheated and losing their money. More than 100 instant loan app, more than 138 online betting app has been blocked. It is only official data. Actuality may be more. And you know that after stealing the personal data on these mobile app, many people has lost their life. मेरे जैसे लोग किसी दोस्त, किसी जानने पहचानने वाले की एडवाइस पे कोई शेयर या कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट लेते हैं और अपना पैसा खो देते हैं। एक डिस्क्लेमर, मैं आपकी तरह कोई फाइनेंशियल एक्सपर्ट नहीं हूं, मैं गवर्नमेंट कंसल्टिंग का बंदा हूं, इसलिए आपके वाले फील्ड में मेरी वाली फील्ड ऐड कर रहा हूं। एज पर ऑफिशियल सोर्स 25,000 people has committed suicide due to these reasons. Again, the actuality may be more. जब तक ये है तब तक विकसित भारत को अचीव करना मुश्किल है। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड को हमारे पीछे वाले पैनलिस्ट अखिल जी और सारे काफी कुछ बता चुके हैं। In next 23 years, India GDP will grow from 4 to 32 crores. अखिल जी ने जो भी आंकड़े बताए, 8 गुना तो जीडीपी बढ़ेगा। यहाँ पे हम देखें, if we compare to the developed country, our AUM to GDP, everything will grow to 4 to 5 times. Like in AUM to GDP, India is only 15%. US is at this moment is 120%. Right now, US GDP is $32 trillion that we will achieve in 2047. We have only 13 crore demat account. Adult population is almost 98 crore. Out of 41 is ready for demat. The most important part, less than 10% have access to formal borrowing. Means less than 10% borrow from bank. Other 90% borrow from the informal routes, that is Zamindar, Sahukar, etc. So market is huge, but apart from your mutual fund distributor or wealth manager, how can we tap this market? Let's see. Seek new audience. We will discuss on next slide. Connect with community. Establish yourself as knowledge guru. Go it early. क्यों कोई बिजनेसमैन कोई पकड़ना? 10वीं, 11वीं, 12वीं या कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट को पकड़िए, वो आगे 25 सालों तक आपको क्लाइंट बन के रहेगा। कनेक्ट विद सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप, कोऑपरेटिव, फार्मर प्रोड्यूसिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। गो डीपर, नॉट confine yourself to the metro city. Go to district, go to sub-district and go to block offices. In short, transform yourself from the financial advisor to financial guru. that not only talk about the mutual fund, but entire financial need, that is stockbroking, insurance, loan, bond, debenture, whatever you want to add. And in my opinion, create a small teaching institute in your office. Depute as much agent you can achieve. How can you connect with community? How can you tap new market? First is align with the government. Approach your district office, sub-district office, approach your regulators. As you know, in this G20 meet, all the developed or top G20 countries has agreed, until we do not cover the entire financial inclusion target, we will not achieve the target of sustainable world. NCFE, SEBI, IRDA, AMFI, every regulator is spending a huge money on financial awareness. You are already associated with some of them. And they are also paying some remuneration to spread the financial awareness. Take our example. In a particular month, in every month, we cover 15 districts. We provide 100 batches of 100 beneficiaries, say 10,000, different audience from the different villages and block. And this is the target that even NCFE achieve in whole year. Means what a national regulator is achieving in 1 year, we are achieving in 1 month, but still in India, districts are 800 and counting. We are achieving only 15 in a month. Beneficiaries is more than 90 crore. Although we have more than 20,000 active agents, but we still believe so many of choice will be required to cover these a large audience of 90 crores people. As per our study with India Post, Bharatiya Dak, if only 20% of India Post existing customer invest only 200 rupees in a month in mutual fund or stock market, rupees 10 lakh crore will be invested in 1 year. इसको भी छोड़िए, अभी चुनाव हुए, मोदी की गारंटी में एक गारंटी थी कि रुपया या 12,000 रुपया प्रत्येक महिला को मिलेगा. अब महिला अपना पैसा घर चलाने के लिए तो अपने पति को देगी नहीं, वो तो उसका पैसा है. तो आप इस चीज को अज्यूम करिए, 15 लाख करोड़ रुपए अगले 5 साल में महिलाओं के बैंक अकाउंट में जमा होने वाले हैं. आप जिस भी गांव से, मैं भी एक छोटे से गांव से बिलोंग करता हूं, उस गांव की चाची मौसी को नेटरेट करिए, पैसा पूरे 5 साल तक आपके म्यूचुअल फंड या पोर्टफोलियो में आने वाला है. मे बी एंट्री टिकट में बी स्मॉल, but audience is huge. And what will you get? Apart from money, you will get a multiple thing. मेरे गुरुदेव कहते हैं कि लाइफ के तीन फेजेज हैं, वो ही यहाँ पे लिखे हैं. फर्स्ट इज लर्निंग. You will connect with new class of people. You will learn new dimension of public dealing. You will learn new business dynamics. You will learn new way of offering investment, offering loan. Learning and earning. शास्त्र कहते हैं कि 8 तरीके की लक्ष्मी हम प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. धन लक्ष्मी के लिए तो हम यहाँ बैठे हैं, वो यहाँ भी मिलेगी. इसके अलावा आप यश, वैभव और ऐश्वर्य के भी मालिक बनेंगे. Third is learning, earning, and returning. What are you returning to the society? To lakhs of people, you will provide a safe way to invest, to make their investment safer, to grow their investment. For the nation, you will bring unproductive money into the productive. If suppose if these 10 lakh crore, 15 lakh crore are coming into the business market, formal economy, all will be in a great benefit. And as far as overall community is concerned, you are creating a fraud-free, a honest society for the entire country. That's all from my side. If you want more information on it, log in on the choiceconnect.in. You will get all the detail. Thank you so much. अपना खूब ख्याल रखिएगा, क्योंकि आपको ही इस देश का ख्याल रखना है. जय हिंद.